This is one of the coolest overhead light stations for if you're doing any kind of artwork or just even working in general. This thing has it all. So for one, it clamps onto the desk and then you can plug in your power source right there. You have 1, 2, 3 hinges on it, so you can really manipulate how you want this thing to sit, lay it down flat, go up really high. So it could be like a light source that's coming at you, so you can really set it how you want. You have 3 different lights. You have this one right here for the middle, and you have one arm right here and another arm over here. And these can also be moved around. You can set that so if you want it to be over more like that. It's just a lot of ways to customize it. You can turn the whole thing sideways that way. You can turn the whole thing sideways that way. You can have one that way. You can have it really any way that you want. You have your onboard controls here to your power. You have different modes, so different, like if you want a warmer light or a mix or a white light. You have your brightness levels here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of brightness. That is a very bright light. Then you have the auto button. So if you press that, it will actually detect other surrounding light and intensity and auto adjust the brightness for you. So this is great if you work by a computer and maybe you just kind of want a nice soft light just to kind of not make the computer screen super bright in your eyes. This will help adjust with all of that. So just a really cool light for a lot of uses, whether it's crafts, whether you're making a video. The light is really bright, it's diffused, it's just really nice looking, great quality, and also just not too in the way. So I really like that a lot. It gives you so many options of how you can use it. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.